Hello guys. So today I am going to show you very interesting thing. Many of my friends ask me to create the game on Scratch. So today I am teaching you how to create the game on Microsoft Scratch. So let's start. Okay, this is the first screen of Scratch. Basically, this is the first screen of the Scratch. You see the cat here, and this is the workspace. This is the tool area where we will put the code, the middle area. We will put the code here, and this is the toolbox area. From here, we will take the tools and we will use it. And this white area is the, you can say, game space area where we will perform the actions. We can see the output. Okay, now let's start. Then now first I will give you some idea about the programming or coding. Uh, the coding or the programming we use to create some softwares or some games or some application, because there are two ends, back end and the front end. On the back end you cannot see what's going on. In the front end you always see the front end. If you are using the website or you are playing the game, only you see the front end. Means you are just playing, you are just watching the website. So on the back end, what's happening, there is the program, there is a code you cannot see until you don't know what's happening. So if you see the games there, so only you will see the front end. Now we will work on the back end. So let's start. Okay, this white screen with cat, we don't want this cat, so we right click on it from the mouse and press delete. Okay, these things what I am teaching you, you can use in any of the version in Scratch. It's a new version or the old version, the same. Only just some new features or some new animations you will get in new. Otherwise, the process, the method is the same. Okay, now you see here there are three stars down. So you will choose first a new sprite. So this is here, you can paint new sprite. Here you can choose new sprite, and there is the surprise sprite. Once you click on it, so any sprite can come. Okay, so now we have to, I will explain you step by step all these three, but for now we have to take the new sprite. So we just click the middle star. um, Now what we have to select it, say here Scratch. It will be by default. Once you click on it, so it will be by default. You can press this arrow, so you can go there. There are animals, fantasy, people, things, transition. We go the animals. No, we don't want this bat, just it's very fast. Oh, okay, we take this bee. Now we have this bee. We can move this bee anywhere in our screen. Suppose I put this bee here. Now, now I took this bee, I changed this um, position. Now I have to make the coding. Just I am teaching you first how to make the coding, then I will create the game. Okay, so we have to move this bee around the screen. So now the first thing what I am going to do, there are different types of menu options. You can see motion, look, sound. We will use step by step all the options, but for now for the movement we will use these two, motion and control. So first we go in control. Here when flag clicked, when space key pressed, when this all we do, we will do all the things. First I am taking when space key pressed. Why I am taking this, because once you play any of the games, so you see If you press arrow key, so it go up. If you press down key, it go down. If you press D, so it's something happen. If you press right arrow, left arrow, so it moves. So that's why first I have to give the keys. So once now, if up arrow key, when up arrow key press, so what will happen means this is the condition, you can say this is the condition. So when up arrow key press, so what will happen, now we will go to the motion, point in direction, and there is 90, so first we take up 0, 0 is up, okay. Now and now see what we did. If somebody will press up arrow key, so what will happen, the B will change the direction 0 degree, and it will move 10 steps. You can see if I am pressing arrow key, so 10 steps it's moving and it's changing the position, but now only in the up arrow. You can give any key, no problem here, Z, J to Z, any of the key. Okay, now this action I performed it. The same action I will perform it again. I will go in control, I will take when, now I will change the key, down arrow key. So what will happen, the same thing, point in direction, but now it will change the direction in 180 because it's down, and motion 10 steps. Now the third, I am again taking this, now I am saying if I press left arrow key, so what will happen, it will change the direction in the left, that's mean minus 90, and motion 10 steps. Okay, now we check. You can maximize the screen, or you can switch to the presentation mode like this. On the top you see the monitor, you will press it, so you can see now it's coming down, it's going up. Now we can see the bug is moving. So the bug is moving, that's mean we did the right coding. Now like this you can make it small, this key, this bug, so wait, I fix this. Okay, now see, suppose this bug, you take this up, you will see 4 things: duplicate, delete, grow, and shrink. So take shrink and make it shrink. So okay guys, so now you know how to put the codes, how to use up arrow, down arrow, and all these things. So in the next class I will show you how to create a small game. So thank you for watching. Bye.